Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Wi-Fi or mobile data is active, and you know your billing cycle date. Open Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections. This is where usage lives. Once done, grant any permission prompts so the system can track foreground and background usage. Make sure to toggle Data Saver off for full visibility. Then tap Mobile Network or Data Usage to begin. This gets you straight into detailed counters and per app breakdowns without extra steps. You now inspect per app usage to find culprits. Tap App Data Usage or App Data History and set the billing cycle to your known date. That aligns the numbers with your bill. Then sort and filter by foreground versus background and by Wi-Fi versus mobile so you see where bytes occur. Once you identify a top app, drill in to view exact bytes, session counts, and timestamps. This explains why data spiked and reveals whether background sync or active streaming caused it. You finish by controlling and verifying the results. Set a mobile data limit or warning for your billing cycle, restrict background data per app, and enable Data Saver for aggressive control. These steps immediately prevent further overage. Then cross-check numbers with your carrier portal or router logs and export CSV if available to reconcile totals. If figures seem wrong, restart the device, reproduce typical use for 24 to 48 hours, and note anomalies. This single troubleshooting tip helps isolate persistent.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.